only. Yeah. Yes. So how was the practice? What did you write about, and how did you feel after writing the gratitudes? No one did the practice. Yes, you did. Okay, awesome. So see, the more you share, okay, it's like you have to, the more you are attracting the magic. It's like suppose you make tea for mom or coffee for mom, and she doesn't acknowledge it, doesn't tell anyone कि पता है आज मेरे बच्चे ने इतनी अच्छी coffee बनाई, it was so yummy, it was so nice, she looked after the things, she made it just the way I liked it. If she tells you, then only you will make it the next time, no? Or no? So if you share what is happening in your life, more magic will happen. Why? Because when you're sharing, you get more and more opportunities to share. And that is what magic is all about. That is how the law of attraction works. The more you share, the more chances you are getting. And what are these chances? Magics. Yeah. And we want magics. We want to see that yes, मैंने सोचा और वो हो गया. मैंने उसको शिद्दत से भी नहीं चाहा, थोड़ा सा भी चाहा तो भी हो गया. Right? Everyone knows this शिद्दत dialogue. हाँ?
Yes.
शांति ओम, yes, इतनी शिद्दत से चाहो जिससे क्या, then पूरी
Some कायनात or something, I don't remember the exact
पूरी
thing.
कायनात आपको मिलाने की साजिश करती है.
Exactly. So write the, or you can just, I also love this dialogue, but somehow मेरे को याद नहीं रहा है अभी तक exactly. But what you do is please one of you write the exact dialogue and put it in the group. And अच्छा, जो हमारे नाम
It's actually a quote by Paul Coelho, the author of The Alchemist in English. That if you want something, the whole world will conspire to make it happen.
Khushi, I think you're, yeah, thank you, Khushi. Not you, the other Khushi. Yes. So, okay, Nitya, you do that. You share the Paulo Coelho quote also and the Hindi one also. Yes. Okay. And who else felt the practice?
I did it
was amazing?
yesterday. It worked for me. Like I did it for my best friend. So she we lost contact a little bit. Like we used to text, we used to end up fighting or something. But then after yesterday's I did it and it actually worked. Like yesterday night we spoke for hours and like it was pretty good.
Okay, cool. You spoke for hours. Awesome. And what did you actually write?
I just I don't remember exactly, but I was just like thanking for any random thing which was coming in my mind.
Okay, and random thing must have been something that you shared with her, done with her, right?
Yeah, like I thanked for all the times we stayed up till 4 o'clock talking about random things. I don't know, I don't even remember what. So I thanked about that time. I thanked about the times we've hanged out together, we've gone to all the cafes and everything.
Okay, wonderful. So this is how it will be. If you've actually done the practice, you'll feel lighter. Okay, and the relationship will definitely improve. I didn't get a chance to. Sorry.
After I wrote, I felt a little light. So it was good.
Okay, very nice, very nice. So what you can do is if you want to, strengthen the relationship even more, you can continue this practice tomorrow as well. Okay, so till the time you feel that yes, the bond has become stronger or the way you want it, you can continue doing this practice every day. Just write 10 random things only. See, random things is also good, but if you think and go down into the ocean's depth and take out that fish or the pearl, whatever you want to take out, then the feelings are stronger and the results are also more magical. Okay, so
I did it today also. Like I wrote it down today also.
Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. Anyone else who did the practice and how was your experience? No? Friends के संग अच्छे relationship हैं. Cool. Yes, I could not do it, so I will be doing it after the session. I did not get the chance to do it, like I was a little occupied in some office work. I will be doing it.
I was not getting anyone who to my choose. This thinking goes my time. I was thinking whom I choose like that. It gone.
Oh, still you can choose. And I told you, if you feel that mama से ज़्यादा पापा अच्छे हैं, so you can write about mama. If you feel नहीं पापा से ज़्यादा मम्मा अच्छी हैं, so you can write about papa. You have 2 brothers, so जिससे भी ज़्यादा अच्छा relationship करना है, you can write about them. तो क्या सबसे प्यार मिलेगा? You can do that also. That is what I am going to do.
Yes.
Okay, so you can do like
You said I think you said that in WhatsApp group we have to write our own name, like that's
no,
something.
array, not our name, the name of the person that you want to improve the relationship. Okay.
Oh, that thing, yeah. My mama thought that we have to write in our profile that my name. So my
Oh,
mom write.
sorry. Oh, I thought you were talking about the practice,
No,
and
no,
then
no.
no, in the WhatsApp group, just to see that, so that there is no prankster or someone trying to hack our group or disrupt our session. For that,
So
yeah, I
my
understand.
mom write that R Tiwari like that she wrote because she has something more numbers which
Hmm.
she is contact from her business, like I think.
Okay, perfectly fine. I understood. That's why I wrote immediately after that message that if you don't it can be a parent's name also. Okay, so that's why. Yeah. Yes, cool. So if no one else has a sharing, do I feel you should be having a sharing? That means either you did not do the practice or still have some queries about the practice. Archit, you have told us you will be doing it. Okay, Archit, do the practice, because what will happen, you have
Okay.
been doing the practice for all these days, most of the days, I will say. So if you continue it, it will be better, because now we are in the third week. Yeah, today is day 16. So it's the third week, and the magic and the gratitude practice should continue. Okay. So anyone?
I'll also do it after the session.
Okay, wonderful. Yeah. Yes. So now, who wants to read? Avni has said he wants to read. Yeah. Okay. So I'm sharing the screen and let's start. Yes. Please read.
Day 16, Magic and Miracles in Health.
Yeah. So let's see the picture again. Yeah. So here we are seeing. Achha, can someone read what is written here?
Magic.
Magic elixir.
Yes, very good. Like, and where is it written? What do you think?
Is it written
On
on
an
a
ancient
mirror?
Hmm?
On a mirror, maybe?
Not
Because
on a
it's
mirror. See, if we see, there are plants over here, trees over here, rather, and there is sunlight. And this isn't this looking like a
Window.
shop? Yeah, a shop window. Yeah. And outside it's
Like
written magic.
old pharmacy.
Yes, exactly. It's looking like that. And but what do you see in all these
These
all
all are, I think, medicines.
medicines? But all look same.
Potions.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. All are like potions. Magic elixir. Elixir is what? Hmm? Any of you knew? If any of you know the meaning of elixir?
it makes us immortal.
Yes, like Amrit. Huh? Everyone knows what Amrit is, na, right? सिर्फ मम्मा के वाली बात नहीं, स्टोरी वाला अमृत भी पता है ना सबको. हाँ, yeah. So magic elixir. What is this
Yeah.
magic elixir? And magic elixir, PK, like we are like immortal. See, immortal तो ठीक है, but health भी तो अच्छी चाहिए ना. Immortal खाली immortality से तो नहीं होगा. Health भी fit होना चाहिए, active भी होना चाहिए, सारी energy भी होनी चाहिए. So we are going to see what is this magic elixir. And since this book is only about what? It's only about gratitude, yeah. So is gratitude the magic elixir? Yeah. So gratitude is the one and all for each and everything, whether it's money, relationship, health. It's about everything. So today we are going to see how is gratitude going to be the magic elixir. Okay. We have already done a few practices of health. Yeah, remember? जो हमारे पास already जो हमारे अच्छी health है उसके लिए हम लोगों ने gratitude कर चुका है. Since childhood, the way we have been, the way we are blessed with all the good functioning organs, उन सब के लिए हमने gratitude कर चुका है. तो आज की practice क्या होगी ये हम लोग देखते हैं. Is it about the present or is it something about the future? Yes.
Miracles are not contrary to nature, but only contrary to what we know about nature.
Saint Augustine.
Saint Augustine, 354 to 430, theologian and Catholic bishop.
Yeah. So what do you mean by contrary? See, this is not a
Opposite.
class, but yeah, I would still like, see, if you understand the meanings, the code becomes clearer, it becomes, you know, the whole thing is easy to understand. Yeah, so when you're talking about each word like this, you will only understand कि अच्छा ऐसा है, ये है, that way. So now when we're seeing, miracles are not opposite to nature, but only opposite to what we know about nature. And that means what? Miracles are most common in nature. अगर हम उसको ऐसे ही बोलें, if we remove the not and the contrary, means miracles are most common to nature. Like everything in nature is a miracle. Don't you think it's a miracle that there are so many shapes of leaves on a tree, so many different types of trees, yeah, and so many different types of any species, you name it, like from an ant to the dinosaur, everything is like unique and very different. And how is it that, you know, animals, they heal themselves? उनको चोट भी लगती होगी, of course उनको भी कहीं ना कहीं क्रैम्प आता होगा, मोच आती होगी, but the street dogs or the animals, you know, who are roaming around freely, not the ones that we have as pets, which we take to the dog, you know, for the vaccination and, you know, for some treatments, but otherwise, who takes care of all these animals? Tell me, isn't nature doing that thing? And I'm not talking about, you know, the attacks that are done on the animals, कि उनको गोली मार दी, या नहीं उनका पैर कोई ट्रैप में अटक गया, you know, या कोई एक्सीडेंट हो गया. I am not talking about those. I am talking about the free, you know, moving animals in the jungles. They don't have doctors over there. But what do? Of course, they get hurt. They, you know, they must have fallen in places. Unless and until a predator eats them, they are alive, they get better, and they start continuing with their life. You know? So don't you think that's a miracle? We will think it's a miracle. Many a times, if we get a scratch or a, you know, cut, and we don't want to tell our mom or parents, yeah, what do? कुछ नहीं करते हैं. कभी कुछ maybe lotion लगा दिया, पानी से धो लिया, and वो अपने आप heal हो जाता है. Have you done that? कि डांट पड़ेगी जोर से कि चोट लग गई. Many a times it has happened. I'm sure. आजकल पता नहीं, but
Yeah.
it has happened ना. कितने बार होता है, you have a headache or a tummy ache and you don't take any medicine, फिर भी ठीक हो जाता है. Yes. So
Yes.
don't you think that is miraculous? कि nature हमको खुद ही heal कर देता है. And you must have studied in science. हमारे body के अंदर antibody भी होती हैं और cells भी होते हैं, bacteria भी होते हैं हमारे gut में, सब कुछ होता है. हाँ, but फिर भी हम लोग fit and fine है. ये सारी चीजें क्यों हैं? ताकि हम लोग को वो healthy रखें, हम लोग को वो fit रखें. Yes. So let's see how we are going to use those, you know, what is it called? What do I call them? Those soldiers who are working for us to keep us healthy. Yeah.
We should feel healthy, energized, and full of happiness most of the time, because that is how it feels to have our birthright of full health. The reality, however, is that a lot of people don't feel this way very often, if ever. Many people are dealing with illness, problems with the functioning of their body, or suffering from bouts of depression and other mental health problems, which are all states of less than full health.
Yeah. So has it happened with you that you get up in the morning and you feel कि नहीं आज मन नहीं है कुछ करने का, आज you know energy नहीं है? हाँ? Have you felt that? बड़े
Yes,
लोगों में तो ये काफी होता ही है. I don't know छोटे में भी होता है कि नहीं होता. I don't remember my childhood so far back, but yeah, off late होता रहता है. But अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है तो means you know that's not nice. If you are doing your magic rock and still you feel कि सुबह उठने का मन नहीं करता, if you know, unless you are watching late night movies or series and you really want to sleep, but mom is there, नहीं उठो, session है, कोई Zoom class है या कुछ है, and they wake you up, then it's a different story. But mostly you should be getting up healthier and full of energy. Yeah, one is this. Second is like, you know, you get sad very often. You don't feel, you know, that ki okay kya hai acha life mein, sab kuch sad hai. If you're feeling like that, then also, so all these things are not natural. Okay, what is important is that when we get up, have you seen a small baby? If you have some cousins or if you remember your sibling when
Yes.
they were really tiny, how energetic they are. They're like utte hi only when they cry also, it's like the whole house kya pura building bhi jag sakti hai. You know, that is how they are. They are so energetic. You know, they are like कुछ भी दरलेस कुछ नहीं, they're kicking their hands and they're moving their hands and kicking their legs और पूरी मस्ती में ही रहते हैं वो लोग हमेशा. So that is how we should feel when we get up. But do we actually feel like that? Yeah. So and again many people are there, you know, उनको कुछ illness आती है, ailments रहते हैं उनके लाइफ में, कभी knee pain है, कि tummy pain है, back में कुछ है, हाँ, ये सब नहीं है. These are internal things. there could be even something, you know, superficial, in the sense like, you know, but exterior which we can see. Acne hai, maybe hair loss ho raha hai, ya skin mein glow nahi hai, under eye, maybe you guys are too small for that, but you might have seen that, you know, they have some fine lines or dark circles, ये सब कुछ दिख रहे हैं. Maybe they have some hearing problems. तो इस टाइप के कुछ भी इशू हैं, तो वो भी हमने खुद अपने आप में बुलाए. कैसे बुलाए हैं उनको? By not being grateful, by complaining about our health. This is what we have learned, and this is what we will be learning even more in this whole book. If I tell you the 70% water in our body, yeah, we have discussed this in the magic ingredient chapter. The 70% water in the body is controlling the cells. How is it controlling the cells? By telling the cells what we are thinking, what we are talking. So if we give the right command to the water in our body, or the water that we are intaking, it will set our, you know, whatever ailments just perfect. Okay, उस सब को वो एकदम ठीक कर देंगे. And this is I am telling you because I have experienced this on a very micro level. Okay, and if you have seen the Secret movie, you must remember that in that movie the guy fell from उसका कोई chopper में accident हुआ होता है, या I don't remember, chopper था कि plane था, and he fell. Everything from neck down was not working. Nothing was working except his eyes. He could only blink his eyes. Remember that scene? If you've seen the movie?
That was a plane crash.
That was a plane crash. Thank you, Archit. And he could only blink his eyes. And just with his power of imagination or his strong willpower, he healed his body. Of course, he was taking the medicines, like whatever the doctors were giving it to him, he was taking, but it was his strong willpower that he decided that he will walk out of the hospital on Christmas. Remember? So how did he do that? When the doctors had kind of given up hope, yeah, वो and धीरे धीरे वो पूरा ठीक हो जाता है. Then there was another example that a lady with a breast cancer, she also healed herself by doing what? Just being happy, just being positive. So how did all this happen? Don't you think that is miraculous? And who is doing that miracles?
Even I have a cousin Bua who cured her cancer with meditation.
Wow, just see. And when you are meditating, what are you doing? You're commanding your mind to command your body to heal yourself. Yeah. So we are going to learn how to use gratitude. And gratitude for what? For our health, the good things that we have in our system. अभी हम लोग बोलेंगे ना क्या अच्छा है, ये भी ऐसा है, नाक भी ऐसी है, आंखें भी ठीक नहीं है. See, God made us like this. We all know ना that our fingerprint is unique. We all know this. How many, like, what is the population of India? अभी तो इतना कुछ आ रहा है ना, 130 बिलियन की बिलियन, राइट? इतने लोग हैं, सबका फिंगरप्रिंट अलग है, जस्ट अबाउट इंडिया. एंड थिंक अबाउट द होल वर्ल्ड. क्या पॉपुलेशन है वर्ल्ड की? मेरे को नहीं पता. समवन कैन गूगल एंड टेल मी, इट विल बी कूल.
1.33 billion.
8 billion. 8 billion.
8 billion for the world and 1.33 billion for India, right? And सबका fingerprint अलग है. Who did it? Just imagine. So isn't nature miraculous? Tell me. Isn't it so amazing? Yeah. So let's read and see how we can use nature. जो खुद ही इतना यूनिक है, उसने हम लोग को बना के परफेक्ट भेजा है, राइट? ठीक है, some people have some, you know, birth defects होते हैं उनके. Apart from that, majority are born with a perfect healthy body. Yeah, maybe 1 to 2% are born with something, जो भी उनके कुछ पास्ट का कुछ कंप्लेंट्स होगा उसके कारण. बट मोस्टली वी आर ऑल बॉर्न फिट, हेल्दी, फाइन, एकदम परफेक्ट, यहाँ से लेके टॉप टू बॉटम, हेयर से लेके नेल तक, एवरीवन इज लाइक परफेक्ट. बट वो जो 2% है या 1% है, उनकी बात छोड़ दें, तो ये जो 99 या 98% हैं जो हम लोग हैं, आर वी मेंटेनिंग दैट हेल्थ? हैव वी डन दैट? एंड इफ नॉट, देन व्हाट वर द थिंग्स दैट वी डिड जिससे हम लोग की हेल्थ डाउन हो गई? Okay, and how can we redo it? How can we take it back to normal, the way God sent us, the way nature sent us? We are going to learn that in this chapter. Yes.
Warm up.
Yeah, thank you, Archit.
I was waiting when you will stop and when I will say.
Oh, thank you. You would have messaged. चलो ठीक है, good you reminded. Thank you, Archit. आज थोड़ा सा हम लोग distracted हो रहे थे ना शुरू से. Good, so I'll stop the sharing and we'll do the warm up. And this warm up is so important. You know why? When we're actually doing all this, we are waking all the cells. If you Google about it, the lymphatic system, everyone knows the lymphatic system. अच्छा, देयर इज वन सिस्टम, ओके, अभी हम और साइंस क्लास नहीं लेते हैं ये सब पढ़ने से, ठीक है। द होल सिस्टम, द ऑल द सेल्स इन आवर बॉडी बिकम अ लिटिल एक्टिव। जो कहीं कहीं कोने में जो सेल्स सो भी रही होती है ना, वो भी जग जाती हैं। दैट इज व्हाई स्किपिंग, जंपिंग एंड skipping rope, sorry, and jumping on the trampoline, they are so essential. Running, all these exercises which which you do now, you have seen, must have seen kids jumping on the sofa or on the bed. So it's very good. I'm not saying you start jumping on the bed and sofa and your parents will call me. No, don't do that. You can just do the skipping or the jumping on the floor. Okay. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, start. 10 little
10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose.
Thank you, Archit. I think rest of them are asleep. We are the only ones awake and getting our system active. Yeah. Yes. Avni, you're there?
Yes, Masi.
Yeah, please continue. Gratitude.
Gratitude is one of the fastest ways I know to magically access the state.
Avni, there's some network challenge, I guess.
Audible now?
Yeah, now you're audible. Yeah.
Gratitude is one of the fastest ways I know to magically begin experiencing the full state of health you are meant to have in your body and
Oh, sorry.
And puts your very health at risk.
No, sorry, वो wrong था, sorry. And your mind. Okay.
And mine. All the miracles of healing we see happen are simply the result of full health being restored instantly in the human body, where before there was less than full and perfect health. If you don't think gratitude creates miracles in your health and body, then read some of the thousands of miracle stories on the secret website.
Yeah. So now Rhonda is telling us that, miracles have seen, okay, miracles have been seen, instantly in the human body. माने full health वापस आ गई, instantly आ गई है. Not 2 minutes Maggie instant types, but instantly वापस आ गई है. कैसे आ गई है? By using gratitude. And जो थोड़ी सी भी health उनकी up down थी, वो भी पूरी heal हो गई है. And it has created miracles. कैसे हम लोग को पता चला? Secret website में कैसे लोगों ने भेजा? Rhonda made the movie first. Then she wrote the book, yeah, and she must have asked people to give their feedback. तो उनके वेबसाइट पे बहुत सारे लोगों ने thousands of miracle stories. ये बुक लिखी गई थी 2014 में, अब तो और बढ़ गए होंगे if this website is still there. तो इतने सारे लोगों ने वहां पे फीडबैक दिए हैं कि उनके किसी का नी पेन ठीक हो गया. आई नो सो मेनी पीपल दैट आई विल टेल पर्सनली दैट जो भी मेरा कुछ डाइजेस्टिव चैलेंजेस था वो ठीक हो गया. माय ईयर कुछ था दैट आल्सो गॉट बेटर, and I'm more energetic now. And otherwise also, whenever I'm feeling a little low, abhi to humko low lagta hi nahi hai, except when I'm a little below the line because of something that is happening around. Physically I feel so happy, so fit. Kya bataye? Like when I want to run, I can do running. I can skip any kind of exercise. I just enjoy doing, and I'm always energetic. This is what I felt. And how did this happen? By being grateful for the body. Remember that first जो पिछले वाला हमारा चैप्टर था, the magic health, yeah, magical health, वो जो नोट है, हाँ, उसको करके ही मेरे को ये सब इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. And the magic water, that is what I have been doing. Now this practice, the practice that we are going to today, is for something that we want in the future. Yeah, like हमने जो कल जो practice की थी, the magical day, what did we do? We tried to predict how we wanted the day to be. Yeah, whether we wanted an amazing day, a perfect Zoom session for your school activity, या जैसे भी आपने अपना दिन प्लान किया होगा, that was for the future. Now today in this practice we are going to do the same thing for our health. Suppose you have a cold and cough, or you are running a temperature, so that also you can cure with this gratitude practice. How? We are going to learn it today, and you can apply it in each and every body part. कुछ confidence में चाहिए आपको कि नहीं, you want to be more confident, because how it works is like internal mental health. Mental health, when I'm saying, it doesn't mean that थोड़ा सा कुछ issue है. No, it's like whichever way your mind is controlling you. If you feel कि नहीं मेरे को थोड़ा और smart बनना है, maybe मेरे को confident बनना है, मेरे को अच्छे public speaking करनी है, कुछ भी इस टाइप की भी कोई आप बात चाहते हो तो इवन दैट, और यू नो फिजिकल और इमोशनल, हर टाइप का जो हेल्थ का रिलेटेड इशू है, एवरीथिंग कैन बी यू नो क्योर्ड विद दिस. एंड हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू डू दिस? लेट्स सी, जस्ट बाय बीइंग grateful. Yeah.
Gratitude's magical power increases the natural flow of health to the mind and body and can assist the body in healing more quickly. As countless studies have shown, the magical power of gratitude also works hand in hand with good bodily care, nutrition, and any medical assistance you might have chosen for, to the following.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Chosen to follow. So now Rhonda Byrne is telling us, doesn't mean that we stop taking some medicines that you're taking. Okay, आप medicine भी खाओ, but संग संग में ये gratitude भी बहुत जरूरी है. It will increase the natural flow of health to the mind and body and can assist the body in healing more quickly. Okay, and studies have shown this. और हमको सिर्फ इतना ही करना है कि जो हम लोग खा रहे हैं, पी रहे हैं, वो सब करते हैं. अब ये नहीं कि मेरा टमी अपसेट है और हम ग्रेटिट्यूड कर रहे हैं और फिर हम भुजिया खा रहे हैं. ओके, देन इट डजंट वर्क. बोले नहीं, मैंने तो बहुत ग्रेटिट्यूड किया, भुजिया को भी किया, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को भी किया, फिर भी मेरा टमी अपसेट है. नो, ऐसा नहीं है. सो दैट इज व्हाई Rhonda Byrne has told us that you know some smart people like us would try to you know challenge gratitude and see कि हाँ होता है कि नहीं होता है. नो, ऐसा नहीं करना है. It works hand in hand with good bodily care, nutrition and any medical assistance you might have chosen to follow. ओके, तो आप मेडिसिन अगर कोई लेते हो तो उसको खाने के पहले आपको यही बोलना है, थैंक यू स्वीट मेडिसिन, यू आर हीलिंग माई सेल्फ, यू आर हीलिंग माई सिस्टम, थैंक यू फूड, थैंक यू वाटर. जो हम लोगों ने मैजिक इंग्रेडिएंट वाली प्रैक्टिस की थी, यू हैव टू अप्लाई इट ऑन द मेडिसिन ऑल्सो दैट यू आर डूइंग. इफ यू नो मे बी यू हैव सम नी एलिमेंट, माने आप गिर गए, चोट लग गई, दैट वे you just have to tell your knee कि yes. आपने देखा पहले like you know elderlies they would caress in the sense like you know वो ऐसे ऐसे करके सहलाते थे. Have you seen that? Your दादी नानी वो लोग ऐसे ऐसे करते रहते थे. तो imagine you are telling that part of your body कि हाँ अभी ठीक हो रही है, I care for you. When do you caress, or when does your mom caress you? To show affection. Yeah, to show concern, to show your love. So that is what we have to do to our body, okay, to our health, and it will start giving back to us. What will it give back? Good health and response to that affection and gratitude that we do. Okay, yeah. So please continue.
When there is some kind of sickness or condition in your body, it is understandable that you may have negative feelings about it, like worry, frustration, or fear. But having negative feelings about sickness does not restore health. In fact, it has the opposite effect. It reduces health even more. To increase your health, you need to replace the negative feelings with good feelings. And gratitude is the easiest way to do it.
Yeah. So tell me, elder नहीं, adults तो ये करते ही हैं. I don't know if you guys do it or not. किसी को कुछ हुआ, maybe सर दर्द हो रहा है. Do you Google headache क्यों हो रहा है? Have you done it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who was that? I could not see.
Always cancer.
Yeah, like I've
always
Googled for
cancer.
nose-
Google
nose
search
bleeding
is
and stuff.
always cancer.
Oh God, एकदम नहीं करना ये, ठीक है? Like I have
I
stopped.
could not hear your question. Can you repeat it?
I was saying if you have some issue in the sense like you know maybe if you have a cough and cold or a fever या कुछ नी में चोट लग गई है, do you Google कि इसका क्या है?
Yes.
So वो नहीं करना हम लोग को, because what are we doing? Sorry.
Because Google's answer is always
But
cancer.
we need to know the solution, right?
But what happens? What do we do?
My smell and taste was gone when I was COVID positive, so I just Googled it and I got in more tension.
Yes, you got more tension, right? And what does tension do? It attracts more tension, right? This is what we have done. Yeah, this is what we have seen. This is how the law of attraction works. The more we worry, what will happen? We will get more reasons to worry. The more we are feeling scared, the more reasons we will get to feel scared. So we should not be doing all this. अभी क्या होता है, like see, मेरे अगर सर में दर्द होता है ना, suppose बहुत दिन से हो रहा है, then I have done that. That's why I'm sharing with you. And I searched. I said, अच्छा, ये भी हो सकता है, ट्यूमर भी हो सकता है, ऐसा भी. And then what? सर दर्द नहीं जा रहा है बहुत दिन से, ये भी दवाई खा ली, 4 दिन हो गए, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. What do? We always try to think of the worst, and then our mind is just focusing on that. It was just some gastric issues that had caused my headache for quite some time. बट हमने उसको गूगल करके उसके लिए वर्स्ट चीज थी वो सोचने लगे, कैसे पता चलेगा, अच्छा सीटी स्कैन करना पड़ेगा, ये करना पड़ेगा, वो करना पड़ेगा, उसके साइड इफेक्ट्स क्या है, वर्स्ट होगा तो ऑपरेशन भी हो सकता है, यू नो द होल थिंग आई हैड डन। एंड वो हुआ, निकला क्या, वो सिर्फ एक गैस्ट्रिक पेन था, बट व्हाट वाज आई डूइंग, आई वाज ट्राइंग टू अट्रैक्ट समथिंग मोर ट्रबलसम। पक्का हमने कुछ अच्छे ग्रेटिट्यूड किए होंगे अपने बॉडी के बारे में, हाँ, बट अदरवाइज हम लोग मोस्टली यही करते हैं। एंड क्या होता है, वी गेट नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स, वरी, फ्रस्ट्रेशन, फियर, ओ ये कब जाएगा दर्द, कब हम जाके खेलेंगे, यू नो हम लोग ये सब करते हैं। बट नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स will not attract good health. What will do that? Attracting will not restore, will not make our body, you know, fit and fine. What will do that? By giving it positivity. And how do we do that? By being grateful. ये अभी थोड़ा सा सबको न्यू न्यू लग रहा होगा, बट ट्रस्ट मी इट इज सुपर अमेजिंग। ये वाली जो प्रैक्टिस है ना, आपको कुछ भी चाहिए, यू वांट लॉन्ग सिल्की हेयर, you have to do this practice. You want clear glowing skin, you have to do this practice. You want, you know, your legs to be strong so that you can run faster or whatever sport you are into.
If I want height of 6'2", so I again have to do this.
Yes, it's like totally what you want, and you have to believe in it. Okay, you have to see the whole thing about gratitude and the law of attraction is like how much do you believe in it. Okay, and that is how you'll attract it. If you say nahi mere to papa bhi aise nahi hai, jeans mama ki bhi nahi hai, fir kaise hoga? And what are you doing? You are starting with a negative thought. तो कैसे होएगा? ऐसा नहीं सोचना है। क्यों? कितने सारे तो पेरेंट्स होते, लाइक I only told you that, but in my house I am the tallest of the 3 sisters. Yes, Arpit? Yeah, I am the tallest of the 3 sisters. How did this happen? I don't know. मैंने अट्रैक्ट नहीं किया, बट हम हो गए टॉल। तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है कि जीन्स के कारण होना है या किसी हेल्थ के कारण नहीं। अगर यू हैव दिस फुल बिलीव कि यस यू विल बी 6'2", देन यू विल बी 6'2". और क्या करना है, कैसे करना है? हैव यू मेड अ विजन बोर्ड वेयर यू हैव रिटन दैट यस यू आर 6'2"? हैव यू डन दैट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव मेड योर विजन बोर्ड? नो वन?
I've started.
my phone.
Okay, doesn't matter, you can make it anywhere, but you have to write. If you want to be 6'2", you have to write in that. Like Tanvi, I think wrote 5'6". So you have to write it, what like whichever area to, you know, improve or the dream to materialize, you have to write it in your vision board, and you have to write it in your dream. जो 10 dreams हैं, उसने तो हम लोग को पूरा ऑप्शन दिया ना रॉन्डापन ने, कि आप हेल्थ के बारे में बोल सकते हो, रिलेशनशिप के बारे में बोल
Is
सकते
it like if we are grateful for our health and that we are alive, so we will never die?
हो। नो, ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है। सी, आपने वर्ड क्या बोला विराज? विराज, व्हाट डिड यू जस्ट से? डाई? We will never die. Yeah. So what is that?
Negative.
Yes, we will die. Yeah. But how long? अच्छा, ये भी तो है। आपने, आप बोलोगे this is all fiction. Haven't you heard that, you know, पहले के ऋषि मुनि 400 साल रहते थे, 600 साल रहते थे, कितने साल रहते हैं पता ही नहीं है। Haven't you heard this?
No one has
Yeah.
seen them, but I still believe in them.
People
I
have,
also believe in that.
people have seen them. Okay, कहीं ना कहीं कोई हिमालय में कोई बाबा रहते हैं, वो इतने साल के हैं, जितने भी प्रेसिडेंट्स वगैरह थे, उन्होंने जाके उनके संग फोटो क्लिक कराई, and he still looks the same. How did this happen? Because they were in sync with nature. They believed कि वो लोग हैं immortal. Okay, must be there. And in fact, this example is very good, though I have not researched about it. In Okinawa in Japan, people live more than 100 years. वहाँ पे बहुत normal है that they are actively living, not like in our country कि
Yeah,
90 के,
yeah.
It was there in the movie also.
Yeah.
Ikigai.
हाँ, Ikigai में था। बट ओकिनावा में, जापान में ओकिनावा बोल के एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट है या सिटी है, वहाँ पे एवरेज लाइफ स्पैन लोगों का
Island.
क्या
100 से ऊपर है.
100 से ऊपर है। व्हाई इज दैट? एंड दे आर एक्टिवली 100। ये नहीं कि बिस्तर में पड़े हुए हैं 100 साल के, कि ऐसा कोई खाना खिला रहा है कि नहीं, एक्टिवली दे आर लिविंग।
वो वीडियो में शायद बताया था, कौन सा वीडियो देखा था, उसमें दे डू ग्रेटिट्यूड एंड डू लाइक दिस, समथिंग लाइक दैट. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर लाइक दिस.
Yes. So and mostly it is their belief. Mostly it is the belief that yes, I am fit, fine and healthy. So I don't know आपको क्या लाइफ स्पैन चाहिए, but जितना भी लाइफ स्पैन है, I want that to be full of health, happy, active. That is how I want it to be. And I want my body to be working perfectly fine.
But for good health and being fit, not only by being grateful, we even have to do some additional effort for
Of course, Browndaman is telling us now, the magical power of work works hand in hand with good bodily care nutrition and any medical assistance, okay, you might have chosen to follow. माने हमारी जो सिकनेस है या बॉडी में जो कुछ एलिमेंट है उसको रिस्टोर भी करती है एंड गुड हेल्थ को भी तो मेंटेन करती है ना, ग्रैटिट्यूड. हाँ, हम लोग ने तो यही सीखा कि अगर हमारे पास्ट की चीजों को हम अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं तो वो हमारे फ्यूचर में और आती ही जाएंगी. इफ आई एम अप्रिशिएटिंग माई गुड हेल्थ, इफ आई एम ग्रेटफुल फॉर माई गुड हेल्थ टुडे, आई विल हैव गुड हेल्थ आगे भी. टिल द टाइम आई आई डिड सम कंप्लेंट, it will continue. Okay, so let's see how we have to do that today.
I want to ask something.
Yes.
Actually, which you said this headache one 4-5 matlab 25 days. My mom is like that. So what she do? What should she do so to cure this?
You should ask in her magic session. Okay, you can, what you can do for her is you can do magic dust on her. Okay, see, it's like I love my niece a lot. Okay, I really love her. Everyone loves her in the house. But can I eat for her? Tell me. Is it possible that I have milk and she'll become stronger? Her tummy will get full? Tell me. No.
No.
He will have to drink the milk. No matter how thirsty she is, if I drink water, will she be okay? Tell me. No. She has to
No,
drink water.
because your bodies aren't connected.
Yes, same way. So what maximum I can do is I can bring the water to her. I can take the milk to her, but she has to drink it. I can put it in the glass, take it to her mouth also, but she will have to gulp it down. I can't always force it in her mouth. She'll just vomit, right? So she has to do the ultimate action. What you can do for your mom or your parents is like tell them, if they have already done the magic book, tell them to read these 3 chapters. There are 3 chapters on health in this book, to read them and continuously do the practice. Okay. And what you can do for your parents or your family members is that you can regularly do magic dust on them. सबने magic dust की practice कर ली है? Yeah.
Like even I have a lot of headache problem. Like I keep having headaches. It's very big pain.
Okay. Now don't say anything else because अभी 3-4 complaints हो गई. ठीक है? So out of this. Okay. So write about it in your blessings in the morning. Okay.
Ma'am, you have your niece. I don't have any niece. So, ma'am, I had a question that when a kid does not have teeth, how does he chew the food that he has to eat, or he does directly swallow it?
No. Their food is mashed and given to them. Okay. It is, if we are giving them vegetables, it's
Ma'am, because when my younger brother was born, I wasn't allowed to go near him because the doctor said that his bones are not really connected, so no one can touch him.
Okay. So I'll tell you, like, see, when the kids are small and they don't have teeth, the food is mashed and given to them. आपका भी दांत में दर्द हुआ होगा तो आपने खिचड़ी खाई होगी खाली, remember?
Yes.
When मुझे जब मेरी एक छोटी बहन हुई थी उसको रोज खिचड़ी खिलाते थे.
Exactly, it is
सुबह
like
शाम.
okay. So yes, खुशी, coming back to your issues, breakdowns in your head. अच्छा, एक और भी चीज आज हम लोग सीख लेते हैं. यूनिवर्स को ब्रेकडाउन समझ में नहीं आता है, बट ब्रेकडाउन का मतलब हम लोग सबको पता है क्या है. व्हाट इज अ ब्रेकडाउन? कि माने वो 100% ठीक से नहीं चल रहा है. या सो व्हेनेवर यू हैव टू से हेल्थ में कुछ इशू है, it's a breakdown. Issue भी बोला जा सकता है negative. So whenever you are going to speak, at least in this group and also in other in your daily lives, you have to say you have a breakdown in your head, you have a breakdown in your tummy. It might sound strange to you, but we know words are very powerful. Okay. अगर आपको कोई बोलेगा तुम एकदम stupid हो, जबकि वो mean नहीं करता है, how will you feel? अच्छा नहीं लगेगा ना, right? So
we will feel sad about him or her.
Yeah. So if you are here talking about some health concern, you have to use the term breakdown, because I don't want you guys telling, any more complaints or making any more complaints about that health part. Okay. Or your body part.
I can say it in a way that
I wish my head was perfectly fine. I wish my head to be headache का, अगर headache नहीं है तो क्या है? Tell me. That you're enjoying loud music, you're enjoying loud music, you'll enjoy only.
I can say that I keep having little headaches, but my other parts of my body function perfectly. I'm always healthy. I'm always fit, full of energy.
Yes, just escape. Just skip the headache part. Okay, my body is functioning fully.
She used this word thrice.
Yes. So now you have to write 30 gratitudes for your head. Okay. For your brain. or wherever you feel the ache is originating from. Okay, so you have to say this is how we have to do. आपको लिखना नहीं है तो continuously keep on saying, oh, I love my brain, I love my head. It's
My head is fine.
Yes, your head is fine. Yeah, exactly. You can say like that. Okay, so let's see what the actual practice is. Yeah, please continue.
Many people also have critical thoughts and feelings of dissatisfaction about their physical appearance. Unfortunately, those thoughts and feelings also reduce the magical flow of health. If there's something you don't like about your body, you're not being grateful for your body. Think about it. By the law of attraction, complaints about your body bring more problems to complain about. And so complaining about your body or appearance puts your very health at risk.
Whoever Yeah, continue.
who does not have gratitude for their health and their body, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her.
Yeah, continue with the next paragraph also.
Whoever has gratitude for their health and their body will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance of their health to their body.
Yeah, so see now what Rhonda Byrne is telling us. She is telling us that even if we are talking about our appearance, okay, कि मेरे बाल कर्ली क्यों हैं, मेरे बाल स्ट्रेट क्यों हैं, मेरे बाल ज्यादा क्यों नहीं है, मेरे बाल इतने लॉन्ग क्यों नहीं है, you know, लॉन्ग नहीं है तो ये तो ठीक माने हो गया कि like whatever we are saying कि नहीं मेरी नोज ऐसी है, मेरी आईज छोटी है, मेरे ईयर्स ऐसे हैं, we do all this, है ना, मेरी हाइट ऐसी क्यों है, मेरा कंप्लेक्शन ऐसा क्यों है. Whenever we are talking like this, these are also complaints. And what is happening, the more we are complaining, even if it is about our physical appearance, we are attracting negatives in our health. Okay, and we are putting our health at risk. So should we do that? Nature chose this body. Nature decided that Khushi has to look like this, Archit has to look like this, Avni has to look like this. So when nature has decided that, what should we do? Should we take care of it, be grateful for it, or should we keep on complaining? Tell me.
We should respect it.
We should respect it, and we should keep on appreciating it and take care of it. Yeah, so from this day, all of you promise that this is what you are going to do. We will read, suppose if I want to improve my vision, what should we do? If I want to improve my hearing, what should I do? If I want to improve the, टेस्ट बस तो जनरली सबके अच्छे रहते ही हैं, बट उसको भी अगर हमको इम्प्रूव करना है या मेरी स्मेलिंग पावर को इम्प्रूव करना है, सो व्हाट शुड वी डू? इफ आई वांट टू इंक्रीज माय हाइट, रिड्यूस माय वेट, व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू, हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू अचीव इट? एंड this this quote which was there in the emerald tablet tells us, whoever does not have gratitude, whatever he or she has will be taken from him or her. So I don't want, if I'll not talk about my hair now, if I talk about my headaches or my ear issues, what will happen? It will go worse and worse. I don't want that. So what do I have to do? I have to keep on talking good about it, or if not it, then other body parts. Like we said ना, जो बच्चा tantrum कर रहा होता है, tantrum throw कर रहा होता है, if you focus on it, what will happen? वो और ज्यादा शैतानी करेगा और उछल उछल की बदमाशियां करेगा, है ना? ऐसे ही होता है. Observer's effect. So we'll see what we have to do. We focus on it, how? By thinking or speaking good things about that particular part, or we should totally avoid that thing and talk good about the other parts which are functioning perfectly well. Yeah, please continue.
You may be sick or unwell now, or even in a lot of pain. But if you are reading these words, you are continuing to receive the gift of health. It can be very difficult to access your feelings of gratitude when sick or in pain. But even the smallest bit of gratitude helps increase the magical flow of health to the body.
Yeah. So what we are doing, what Rhonda Byrne is telling us, suppose I have a headache now, then it is very difficult to be grateful, right? When we are sick, अरे क्या फायदा हो रहा है बुखार करके, क्या अच्छा है, हम इसमें क्या ग्रेटिट्यूड ढूंढे, बट उस समय भी हम लोग को ढूंढना पड़ेगा. वी हैव टू फेक इट टिल वी मेक इट. आपको मन नहीं करता होगा कि बड़े लोग आए हैं घर में, कोई एल्डर्स आते होंगे. आई रिमेम्बर माई टाइम्स, कोई कभी कभी होता है ना, सम एल्डर पीपल यूज्ड टू कम, सम अंकल आंटी समथिंग, एंड आई डिड नॉट वांट टू गो एंड meet them or greet them. What would you do? मॉम उठते, नीचे आओ, आके प्रणाम करो उनको, हाँ, लाइक कम एंड मीट देम. ये लोग आए मिलने, आप जाते हो ऐसे नॉन स्माइलिंग फेस लेके, एंड यू गो एंड जस्ट डू प्रणाम एंड जस्ट सिट देयर फॉर 2-3 minutes एंड डन अवे. Yeah, you have done it, huh? Same
Yes.
way you have to do it. Same way you have to do it here. You have to keep on doing till
It's
you
just being grateful towards the person who is coming at home.
exactly. But क्या होता है लेकिन we don't want to. You're playing some game or you're reading a book or you're in the middle of tending to your nails. I don't know, but there are many times you don't want to go and meet them. खाली प्रणाम करने के लिए जा रहे हैं. तो वैसे ही जब हम लोग वो कर रहे
Sometimes playing video games, I get a little bit disappointed going there.
यस एग्जैक्टली. बट अभी क्या करना है हमको, जब हमारी तबियत थोड़ी सी अप डाउन है, उसमें कुछ भी ब्रेक डाउन है, तो हमको फोर्स करना है अपने आप को. इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू एक्सेस द फीलिंग्स ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड. बट इवन द स्मॉलेस्ट बिट ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड, अगर आप नीचे या उस रूम में गए ही नहीं, आपने उनको प्रणाम भी नहीं किया, या आप जाके ऐसा ग्रम्पी सा मुंह बना के बाहर आ गए, आपने उनको प्रणाम नहीं किया, तो क्या होता है, तो नेगेटिव ही हो रहे हैं ना आपके अगेंस्ट, राइट? बट आप गए, आपने 2 सेकंड के लिए भी जाके वहां प्रणाम किया, 1 मिनट बैठे और आ गए, या पैर छुआ, जो भी आप लोग करते हो, आप आ गए, तो सब कुछ ठीक रहता है ना? मॉम इज ऑल्सो हैप्पी, पीपल आर ऑल्सो हैप्पी कि हाँ कितने अच्छे संस्कार हैं बच्चे के अंदर, राइट? तो आज हमको यही करना है. whenever you feel that some issues are there, you have to do even the smallest tiniest bit of gratitude. उससे भी चल जाता है. Okay, so let's continue. We have the practice is a little longer. I thought to include a visualization. Let's see.
Today's practice, Magic and Miracles in Health, is designed to dramatically increase your health and happiness. And we are going to take a triple-pronged approach to accelerate the results.
Yeah, so today's practice, so what is a triple-pronged approach? जिसको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, it's like a 3, आप सोचो ना 3 तरफ से अटैक. अब ट्रिपल pronged माने अगर हम बोलेंगे तो त्रिशूल सबको पता है, त्रिशूल में कितने होते हैं? 3, it's like this ना. तो 3-pronged अप्रोच करना है हम लोग को. कैसे? आप सोचो ना 3 तरफ से अटैक नहीं कर रहे हैं, उसको रिस्टोर करें. वी कांट टॉक अटैक ना, अटैक इज अ नेगेटिव वर्ड. तो हम लोग उसको 3 डायरेक्शन से यूज करके हमारी हेल्थ को वापस रिस्टोर करेंगे. सो लेट्स सी. या स्टेप 1.
Step 1. Health you've received past. Think about the great health you have received throughout your childhood, adolescence, and adult life. Think about the times when you felt full of energy and you were happy. Recollect 3 separate times in your mind when you felt on top of the world. Say the magic words, thank you, and feel sincere gratitude for those times. If you think back to the big moments in your life, you will be able to recollect 3 separate times very easily.
Yeah, so continue reading. Avni, I will just tell you what we have to do.
Step 2, health you're continuing to receive, present. Think about the health you are continuing to receive today and feel gratitude for every organ, system, and physical sense that is currently working well in your body. Think about your arms, legs, hands, eyes, ears, liver, kidneys, brain, or heart. Choose 5 functions of your body that are well, and one by one mentally say the magic words thank you for each one.
Yeah, acha. We will be doing a very compact visualization for 7 minutes that will tell us what the actual practice is. So before that, I want you to identify which is the area that you want to improve and what is the ideal state of that. Which I think it's better we read that. Sorry. Yeah, please read. Then we will do this. Yes, step 3.
Step 3, health you want to receive, future. You're going to choose one thing you want to improve about your body for today's magical practice. But you are going to use gratitude's magical power for it in a very particular way. Think about the ideal state of what you want to improve. When you give thanks for the ideal state of anything, you have put into motion to receive back the ideal state.
Yes. So suppose you want your eyesight to be perfect. Okay. So what is that ideal state? If you have a power in your eyes, so what you have to imagine that your power of the eyes is what? Like 0, 0. Okay. If you want your height to increase, so what is the ideal height that you're looking at? But 6'2" होने में तो विराज थोड़ा time लगेगा, right? So maybe you can concentrate on that in your vision board. Okay, that you're seeing.
It's my genetic height. I don't know what is going to be my height.
Of course, no one knows it in advance. So what you have to do is you have to materialize it for you. How are you going to do it? You have to put it on your vision board and you have to write it in your dream. And वो जो हम लोगों ने 3 step वाला dream का practice किया था ना, उसमें आपको लिखना है if you feel that is really important for you, so you have to focus on that in your dream. Okay. And otherwise in your health, if you feel that your system, whatever system, maybe you feel your digestive system has to be strong, or your reproductive system has to be strong, or any other issue or ailment that you are currently having. Okay. It could be that that you get a cold and cough very often. It could be that you have a headache very often, or what else? Tell me, बच्चों लोगों को आप लोग को और क्या होता है? Tell me, then I will tell you the ideal state. Or if you want your hair to be shiny, or if you want your skin to be clear, okay, or you want your nails to be nice and strong, or if you want more energy, if you want to become more confident, so you have to think of the ideal state. Okay. It could be that maybe the doctor said थोड़ा सा hemoglobin कम है, तो ideal hemoglobin range क्या होता है? You should be knowing the ideal state of that particular body part, or that organ, or that hormone, or the system that you want to improve on. Okay. The ideal state. What is the ideal state? Ideal state is the perfect state. अच्छा, इसमें उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा कि आपका नी पेन ठीक हो जाए, आपकी वीक आईज स्ट्रांग हो जाए, नहीं, कुछ भी नेगेटिव नहीं बोलना है. दैट इज व्हाई शी इज सेइंग थिंक अबाउट द आइडियल स्टेट ऑफ व्हाट यू वांट टू इंप्रूव. अगर आपको लगता है मे बी गिव मी सम एग्जांपल. Like when I do this practice, I always think about my hair. Okay. Eyes का भी सोचते हैं, but I thought इतने दिन से तो specs पहन रहे हैं, so I'm cool with it.
Clear skin.
Clear skin, yeah. So clear skin, you
Upset
can.
tummy.
Upset tummy का ideal state क्या है? Perfectly functioning digestive system, yeah. ये बोलना है perfectly functioning digestive system. ये बोलना है PCOS के लिए बोलना है आपको कि healthy ovaries, yeah. ये बोलना है like perfect reproductive system and the endocrine system. ये बोलना होगा उसके लिए, ठीक है? Because PCOS is just not ovaries, it's about the hormones also, है ना? कुछ तो भी hormone ideal नहीं होते हैं, तब जाके वो होता है. So what you have to do is, if you are focusing on the disease, तो क्या होता है, जिस पे फोकस देते हैं, जिस पे एनर्जी देते हैं हम वो ही हमारे लाइफ में आता है, ठीक है? सो वी आर नॉट टू फोकस ऑन द डिजीज, वी हैव टू ऑन द प्रॉब्लम. सॉरी, नो डिजीज, वी डू नॉट हैव टू फोकस ऑन द प्रॉब्लम, वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन द सॉल्यूशन. तो अब पीसीओएस नहीं है तो क्या है, ओवरीज एकदम हेल्दी है, हार्मोन लेवल एकदम हेल्दी है. अपसेट टमी नहीं है तो क्या है, डाइजेशन एकदम परफेक्ट है, डाइजेशन बहुत स्ट्रांग है, या ये बोलना है. हेडेक नहीं है, हेड इज फाइन है. इफ यू आर ओवर थिंकिंग, देन यू कैन से दैट आई एम हैविंग हेल्दी थॉट्स. ओवर थिंकिंग का ये है कि यू आर इन अ रिलैक्स्ड मैनर, यू आर इन अ कूल स्टेट. ओवर थिंकिंग इज नॉट अ हेल्थ इशू. कॉन्फिडेंस, लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस आप बोल रहे हो, दैट यू कैन से बिकॉज इट हैज समथिंग टू डू विद योर उसको इमोशनल वेलबींग बोलेंगे मेरे ख्याल से. हाँ, उसमें आएगा ये, तो दैट वे, ठीक है? So that is how it has to be, that you have to think of the ideal state. Dark circles to go means you have clear skin under your eyes, your eyes are fresh and glowing, or glowing eyes नहीं होती ना, eyes are fresh. ये
Sparkling.
Sorry, sparkling eyes. Yes, sparkling eyes. Thank you. So you have to think of that ideal state, not about the negatives. उसके बारे में हमको सोचना है ये, ठीक है? So what we have to do is, first we have to, I think let's read, then we should quickly do this practice. Okay, so let's read, Avni, then we'll do this so that you understand how we have to do this step 1 to 3, the 3-pronged approach. Okay, please read, Avni.
Very often, when a person is diagnosed with an illness or disease of some kind, they will not only talk about it a lot, but they will research the disease, gathering information about its possible worsening symptoms and dreaded outcomes. In other words, they give their entire focus to the disease. However, the law of attraction says that we can't make a problem go away by focusing on it, because focusing on the problem can only make the problem worse. Instead, we should do the exact opposite and focus on the ideal state for the area of our body that is unwell, and give our thoughts and feelings to that. Gratitude for the ideal state of any part of our body powerfully uses our thoughts and feelings together, so we magnetize it to us in one fell swoop.
या सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज, अभी हम जैसे इन्होंने बताया ना कि हम लोग रिसर्च करते हैं, गूगल करते हैं, सबको बताते हैं, पता है ना मेरा अपसेट हो गया टमी 4 दिन से, हाँ कुछ नहीं खाया हमने फिर भी अपसेट, अब तो पानी भी नहीं पी पा रहे हैं ठीक से, राइट? ऐसे ही करते हैं हम लोग, इतनी वीकनेस आ गई उसके कारण, हाँ खेल भी नहीं पा रहे हैं, पढ़ भी नहीं पा रहे हैं, राइट? वी डू दैट, अपसेट टमी होता है, हेडेक होता है, सबको बताते हैं, तुमने क्या किया था, देन एवरीवन विल गिव दैट नुस्खास आल्सो, हाँ ये कर लो वो कर लो, एंड देन यू वांट टू टेल मोर पीपल अब ये करने से उसका ठीक हो गया था, so we are only talking about that disease and our whole focus is that, and what is universe thinking, इसको तो ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, सुबह से शाम इसी की बातें कर रहा है, लो और लो, this is how it works, and this is how the universe gives it to us, because the law of attraction works like this, because when we are focusing on the problem we are only making the problem worse. This is what Rhonda is telling us, and this is how the law of attraction works. अगर आप घर पे हो रोज सुबह शाम, if you are into dolls, आप बोलो बारबी चाहिए बारबी चाहिए बारबी चाहिए, आप तो हिंदी में बोल रहे हो चाहिए, मम्मा को समझ में आ रहा है कि बारबी ही चाहिए, अगर आप शॉप में बोलोगे मेरे को बारबी नहीं चाहिए दूसरी डॉल चाहिए, बारबी नहीं चाहिए दूसरी डॉल चाहिए, जिसको सुन रहा है बारबी वो आपको क्या समझेगा, उसको तो नहीं समझ में आएगा, वो आपको बारबी ला के दे देगा. सो इफ यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट द डिजीज इज गोइंग टू गेट अट्रैक्टेड इन आवर लाइफ. द आइडियल पार्ट के बारे में बात करना है हमको, जो उसका अभी का जो स्टेट है उसके बारे में बात नहीं करनी, ठीक है? एंड क्या करना है फिर, ग्रेटिट्यूड फॉर द आइडियल पार्ट, जस्ट लाइक हाउ वी डिड इट फॉर द प्रैक्टिस ऑन मैजिकल डे, दैट हम लोग पहले से ही थैंकफुल हो रहे हैं कि मेरा दिन इतना अच्छा जा रहा है, लंच इतना अच्छा हुआ, फ्रेंड्स के संग बात की वो भी बहुत अच्छा था, एंड डे वाज, आप लोगों ने अगर शेयर नहीं किया मींस थोड़ा सा कम प्रैक्टिस किया है, बट एक्चुअली द डे टर्न्स आउट मैजिकल, ठीक है? तो वैसे ही अगर हम ग्रेटिट्यूड कर रहे हैं पहले से ही हेल्थ के लिए, तो वो हेल्थ हमारा इम्प्रूव होगा ही होगा, वो पार्ट हमारा इम्प्रूव हो गई. अच्छा कितना टाइम लगेगा, it totally depends on how many complaints have you made about that particular body part, okay? तो टाइम तो उतना लगेगा. तो इस प्रैक्टिस का इसीलिए ये 3 स्टेप वो है, 3 स्टेप प्रैक्टिस है ये, कि पहले हम लोग पास्ट की चीज में जाके जब हम एकदम फुल ऑफ हेल्थ थे उसको याद कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए थैंकफुल हो रहे हैं, फिर प्रेजेंट 5 चीजों के लिए थैंकफुल हो रहे हैं विच आर वर्किंग परफेक्टली फाइन. हाँ, माय फिंगर्स आर वर्किंग परफेक्टली फाइन, हाँ माय नेक इज वर्किंग परफेक्टली फाइन, माय taste buds are working perfectly fine, my hearing is fine, 5 चीजों के लिए थैंकफुल हो रहा है, whether it's my heart, my brain, my lungs, इन सब के लिए थैंकफुल हो रहे हैं. Then we move to the thing or the part which we want to improve on, and I'm thinking about the ideal state, और उसके लिए हम थैंक यू कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? Yeah, please read.
Spend 1 minute in visualizing a scene of yourself with the ideal state of your body that you want. And as you see your body in your mind the way you want it to be grateful for it as though you've received it. So if you want to magically restore your health to your kidneys, be grateful for strong and healthy kidneys that filter and sift out all the waste products from your body. If you want to magically restore health to your blood, be grateful for pure and healthy blood that flows oxygen and nutrients to all parts of your body. If you want to magically restore health to your heart, give thanks for a strong and healthy heart that maintains the well-being of every organ in your body.
Yeah.
If you want to magically improve your eyesight, then give thanks for excellent vision. If you want to improve your hearing, then give thanks for perfect hearing. If you want more flexibility, then give thanks for a perfectly supple and agile body. If you want to change your weight, first think about the ideal weight that you want to be. Then imagine yourself at that ideal weight and give thanks for it as though you have received it now. Whatever it is that you want to improve, first imagine yourself with the ideal state and then be grateful for the ideal state as though you have received it right now.
Yeah, please continue.
Natural forces within us are the true healers of disease. Hippocrates, circa 460 circa 370 BC, father of Western medicine,
Yeah, so we have seen how Rhonda is telling us that we have to be thankful for the ideal state. If it is your kidneys that you want to function better, whether it's your blood, whether it's your eyes, whether it's your ideal weight, hearing, anything, or even for a flexible body. अगर आपको लगता है नहीं सब कुछ तो ठीक है, आप क्या मांगे? तो maybe you want extra stamina. उसके लिए आप बोल सकते हो flexibility. Maybe you want to do some gymnasts or some gymnastics or something. You want to do some different difficult yoga, anything. जो चाहिए उसका आइडियल स्टेट के लिए हम पहले से ही थैंकफुल होंगे. जब पहले से ही थैंकफुल होंगे तो क्या होगा, वो हमारे लाइफ में आएगा ही आएगा. ठीक है. अच्छा, ये जो 3 स्टेप प्रोसेस है वो क्या है, जब फर्स्ट और सेकंड स्टेप करें तो वी आर फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी. Why are we feeling happy? Because we are thanking about the things in the past and the current things. और ये दोनों करके हम लोग बहुत ग्रेटिट्यूड फील करते हैं. थर्ड के लिए जो हमको चाहिए उसके लिए हम एडवांस में थैंकफुल जब होते हैं तब वो और ज्यादा स्ट्रांगली हमारे पास आता है. शी सेड ना, इन वन फेल स्वूप, माने एक, जैसे हनुमान जी किसी को मारेंगे तो एक बार में ही वो मर जाएगा ना, राइट. एक थप्पड़ पड़ेगा, हाथी उठा के किसी को ऐसे फेंकेगा तो उसका तो एक ही बार में काम तमाम हो जाएगा, राइट. तो वैसे ही इन वन फेल स्वूप इफ वी डू इट ऑल दीज स्टेप्स टुगेदर तो एकदम अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स आने वाला है. बट वी हैव टू डू इट रेगुलरली if we have that a lot of complaints about it in the past. If we have been talking, maybe eyesight, तो बहुत सारी कंप्लेंट्स की हमने. और आज अगर 3-4 बार बोले हैं तो इतने दिन में तो over the years कितने बार बोला होगा about whatever issues that we are facing. Means we have to be more grateful in that particular area and we have to do this practice more often. And now when we look at it, Hippocrates, he is the father of Western medicine. ठीक है. And what is he talking about? मेडिसिन के वो फादर हैं. आपको पता है हिपोक्रेटिक ओथ 3 इडियट्स में भी सुनी होगी. रिमेंबर जब वो करीना कपूर को आमिर खान बोलता है, रिमेंबर जब वो उसके पापा को लेके जा रहा होता है स्कूटर में, रिमेंबर दैट सीन? नो वन रिमेंबर्स. तो उसको यही याद दिलाता है, कहाँ गई तुम्हारी हिपोक्रेटिक ओथ. सब लोग फिर से पिक्चर देखना है, अमेजिंग मूवी. हाँ
वो बहुत पहले देखी थी.
मैम which movie?
3 इडियट्स. या
मैम देखी है ना मैम, वीरू सहस्त्र बुद्धि, चतुर्रामलिंगम.
Exactly. Thank you, Viraj. But I was bringing the attention that उस मूवी में आमिर खान, करीना कपूर was the doctor in that movie, no? वो उसको याद दिलाता है that remember your Hippocratic oath. And he is the father of Western medicine. And what is he telling? What will an allopathic doctor or a doctor would say? वो तो यही बोलेगा ना, दवाई खाओ ठीक हो गए, right? Surgery करो, दवाई खाओ. Will he say रेकी करो, meditation करो? Tell me. Will he believe in that? Of late they might, but earlier they never used to. So now he is telling, the father of Western medicine, he is telling us that natural forces within us, okay? And which are these natural forces? What is our body made up of? The 5 elements, right? Earth, water, fire, space, and air. No? Air. Yeah, air. All these are the 5 natural forces and our body is made up of that. And they are the true healers of disease. ओके तो सारी शक्ति, सारी हीलिंग पावर हमारे अंदर है. तो इफ वी ट्रेन आवर माइंड टू instruct our body cells and use these natural forces, our body is definitely going to be perfectly fit, fine and healthy. ठीक है. तो हम लोग जो पानी पी के ग्रेटिट्यूड कर रहे हैं वो यही कर रहे हैं, खाना खा के जो ग्रेटिट्यूड कर रहे हैं हम यही कर रहे हैं. और आज वाली जो प्रैक्टिस है, if we do that also along with this, our body is going to be just wonderful and healthy. Yeah. Yes.
Like actually the thing is that this right eye, I feel that it's a little bigger than this left eye. I've even read it on the net that it's very common that both the eyes, they are not similar. It's a little different. So how do I fix this?
Acha, first let's read the chapter, then we'll talk about it. Okay. Yeah, there's just 2 more pages. First read, let's read this. Yeah.
You can follow the magic and miracles in health, practice every day if you need to, and you can do it multiple times in a day if you really want to accelerate the magical restoration of full health or the improvement of an aspect of your body. But it is vital that whenever you have a negative thought or feeling about the current state of your mind, of your body or health, that you replace it immediately by visualizing yourself with the ideal state you want, and by being truly grateful as though you have already received it. The most effective way to guarantee health other than taking good care of yourself physically, is to continue to be grateful for your health.
Yeah. So Kushi, you got your answer in this paragraph?
Yes.
Yes. So you have to focus on the ideal state and you have to be grateful and not feel negative. Okay. And what you have to do is you have to be truly grateful as though you have received it. It's like you are doing a visualization. It's like you are writing about your dream. You have to write this, and I'm so great. I'm truly grateful that my eyes are perfect and equal. मेरे को तो नहीं लग रहा ऐसा, since you are saying, but I feel they are perfect, then and they're very, you look very pretty, your eyes are so beautiful. So you have to feel that, and then if you feel कुछ issue है, just don't think about that issue and only focus that they are perfectly matched, they are perfectly symmetrical. Whatever word you feel you want them to be, you write about that, and you have to be truly grateful. And each time any of us feel कि हाँ अरे ऐसा तो नहीं कि ऐसा हो जाएगा, सर दर्द है तो पता नहीं अंदर क्या हो रहा है, या हाइट बढ़ेगी कि नहीं बढ़ेगी, या पीसीओएस कब ठीक होएगा, या टमी अपसेट पता नहीं कैसे ठीक होएगा, कुछ भी इस टाइप की चीज, या ये कॉफ एंड कोल्ड है, ऐसा तो नहीं मेरे को टॉन्सिल हो जाए फिर ऑपरेशन करना पड़े एंड ऑल दैट, ये सब अगर आप लोग सोच रहे हो तो इमीडिएटली वी हैव टू रिप्लेस दैट थॉट हाउ बाय थिंकिंग नहीं मेरा थ्रोट तो इतना अच्छा है कि आई एम सिंगिंग लाइक अरिजीत सिंह, राइट? आप ऐसा सोचो, या नेहा कक्कड़ ऐसा सोचो. सो दैट इज हाउ यू हैव टू जनरेट द ग्रेटिट्यूड and think about the positive thing and not the negatives. Okay. And the most effective way to guarantee health, see she has told us, other than taking good care of yourself physically, ठीक है, कि सिर्फ ग्रेटिट्यूड नहीं करना है, हम लोग को टेक केयर भी करना है. जैसे हम लोग जब ज्यादा लॉजिकल हो जाते हैं या ज्यादा ऐसे मम्मी लोग के संग डिस्कशन करते हैं, मम्मा अगर मेरी किस्मत में है तो ये खाना रखा हुआ है तो अपने आप मेरे मुंह में चला जाएगा. हैव यू डन दैट? हाँ, नॉट डन इट? समथिंग लाइक दिस कि मेरी किस्मत में
something like this, yes.
जब हमको मेरी किस्मत में लिखा ही है कि हम डॉक्टर बनेंगे तो हम पढ़ाई क्यों करें? Have you not done this? I don't know. कितने अच्छे बच्चे हो तुम लोग. चलो.
I have.
Yeah? So it is saying that just gratitude is not going to work. We have to move the step. अभी हम लोग, अच्छा, I have not shown you that picture also. ठीक है, I have to show you that picture also. ठीक है, just I'll remember. I have to show you that picture. That why gratitude works the way it works. Okay, it clears the path. It removes the obstacles. ठीक है, like जैसे आप वीडियो गेम खेलते होगे तो इधर माइन है उधर माइन है, तो वो माइंस कम हो जाएंगे, या आप उनको जंप करके जल्दी अपने फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंच जाओगे. इट विल बी लाइक दैट. दैट इज व्हाट ग्रेटिट्यूड डज. इट क्लियर्स द पाथ फॉर यू टू रीच दैट डेस्टिनेशन. बट आपको डेस्टिनेशन पे तो आपको ही चल के जाना पड़ेगा. इफ यू वांट टू गो टू द मॉल, हाँ, इट्स नॉट दैट कि यू आर डूइंग ग्रेटिट्यूड, हाँ हाँ हम तो मॉल जा रहे हैं, हम तो शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं, हमने ये खरीदा. नो, यू स्टिल हैव टू गो टू द मॉल, राइट? मॉल तो जाना ही पड़ेगा सामान लाने के लिए. सो आप लोग नहीं ऑनलाइन आ जाएगा, तो ऑनलाइन भी तो यू हैव टू क्लिक एंड चूज एंड बाय, राइट? तो वो भी करना पड़ेगा. इट विल बी इजियर. मे बी नेटवर्क कनेक्शन सुपर अच्छा रहेगा, जो आप चाहते हो वो तुरंत मिल जाएगा, डील जो आपको चाहिए वो तुरंत मिल जाएगी. ओके, सो दैट इज हाउ ग्रेटिट्यूड वर्क्स. इट क्लियर्स द पाथ फॉर यू. It clears the path for you and not block the other people's path. This is very important to remember. जब हम बोलते हैं ना हम फर्स्ट आ जाएं, वो नहीं आए फर्स्ट, नहीं, उसके बारे में आपको नहीं सोचना है. आपको सोचना है कि आपको क्या चाहिए. ठीक है, so gratitude is very important. Okay, yes, Avni, please read.
Magic practice number 16. Magic and miracles in health. 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. 2. Recollect 3 separate times throughout your life when you felt on top of the world and give sincere thanks for those times. Think about 5 functions of your body that are well, and one by one give thanks for each one. 4. Choose one thing about your body or health you want to improve and spend one minute visualizing yourself with the ideal state of your body or health. Then give thanks for this ideal state. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yeah, so thank you, Avni, for reading for all of us so nicely. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, so before I don't think we'll be taking any questions. Okay, or do you have questions? I was thinking we'll do this practice. Okay, so you want to do the practice, or if you have any query, we'll just take quick queries and move on to the practice.
I have an query, but not related for today's chapter.
Okay.
I remember when I have not left this class, Khushi Didi asked that we have to not say any negative things like that.
Yes.
And you said I want मतलब like वो चाहिए जैसे जिसमें मैं बता सकूं कि मतलब जो बच्चा कुछ भी कर रहा है और वो गलत कर रहा है तो उसके बारे में अपन कुछ ना करें, मतलब उसको पॉइंट आउट ना करें.
Yeah.
तो मैं उसमें सोच रहा था, तो आई रोट अ क्वेश्चन लाइक एक स्कूल में दो बच्चे लोग लड़ रहे हैं इन माय क्लास और दे डिस्ट्रॉयड द क्लास एंड वी शुड नॉट पॉइंट आउट लाइक दैट. वी शुड
नो, अगर दो बच्चे लड़ रहे हैं तो अलग बात हो गई, ठीक है. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन नॉटी किड इन द हाउस. ओके, व्हाई इफ अ नॉटी किड इज वो कितने देर तक वो करेगा, टैंट्रम थ्रो करेगा या अपना गुस्सा दिखाएगा या रोएगा, कितने देर करेगा? जब तक उसको वो चीज मिल नहीं जाती वो तब तक करता रहता है, राइट. एंड वो क्यों करते हैं? जैसे सपोज अ बेबी इज क्राइंग एंड उसको पता है उसको चुप कराने के लिए उसको टॉय दे दिया जाएगा या वीडियो ऑन कर दिया जाएगा या फोन दे दिया जाएगा, वो रोती रहेगी. बट सपोज और ऐसे ही उसकी हैबिट बन जाती है, राइट, कि वो रोएगी, उसको उसका मनचाही चीज मिल जाएगी. क्या अगर फर्स्ट टाइम उसको नहीं दी गई या सेकंड टाइम लोग समझ गए कि नहीं ये तो इसका एक वो बन गया है कि इफ यू फोकस ऑन द क्राइंग एंड यू गिव हर द फोन और द टॉय, शी विल स्टॉप क्राइंग. सपोज यू डोंट गिव हर दैट टॉय, वो रोएगी रोएगी रोते रोते तो फिर चुप हो जाएगी ना, या चुप हो जाएगा वो बेबी, वो हमेशा नहीं रोता रहेगा. सो दैट इज व्हाई इफ अ किड इज थ्रोइंग टैंट्रम, आप सोचो ना, आप गेम खेल रहे हो, ठीक है, एंड नो वन इज लुकिंग एट योर स्कोर, नो वन इज लुकिंग एट हाउ यू हैव प्लेड, विल यू लाइक टू प्ले or will you lose interest after a while?
I will lose interest.
Exactly like this. Okay, so if we are talking about crying baby not getting attention, it is exactly like this. If you are playing, this is what I was about to say कि अगर हम उसके ऊपर ध्यान हटा देते हैं तो वो उसका जो भी एक्टिविटी कर रहा होता है ना वो थोड़ा शांत हो जाता है. वैसे ही इफ यू गो टू अ पार्टी, पार्टी में भी अर्चित को नहीं समझ में आएगा, बाकी लोगों को आ सकता है, तो लेट मी जस्ट कंटिन्यू विद दिस, देन वी विल नॉट डू द विजुअलाइजेशन. सो फर्स्ट लेट मी एक्सप्लेन द प्रैक्टिस आल्सो अर्चित, ठीक है. तो क्या करना है आपको, यू हैव टू सिट डाउन इन द मॉर्निंग और आफ्टरनून, जब भी 10 to 15 मिनट्स है बैठना है, अपने पास्ट की 3 अच्छी चीजें याद करनी है. कैसी? जैसे आई वुड हैव आस्क्ड यू टू रिकलेक्ट योर लास्ट बर्थडे पार्टी. हाउ वर यू? हैप्पी, एनर्जेटिक, या राइट, एकदम फुल ऑफ एंथुजियाज्म, एकदम हैप्पी स्टेट में थे. It could have been a birthday party. It could have been maybe you had gone for a swimming competition. If not a competition, sorry, maybe you like to swim or any activity or physical activity that you enjoy. Maybe dancing, tennis, cricket, anything. And you have to recollect that happy moment. Were you bothered कि धूप कितनी तेज निकली हुई है, कितना पसीना आ रहा है, पेट में कुछ है कि नहीं? Were you bothered or you were just happy playing? You were happy playing. You remember sitting on a swing last or a ride on an amusement in the amusement park. इस टाइप की कुछ चीजें आपको याद करनी है. Maybe it was just a holiday and you had were just sitting on a horse and enjoying the ride, or maybe you were just sitting on the hill slope and looking at the nature and enjoying yourself. इस टाइप की कोई भी पास्ट के 3 इंसिडेंट याद करने हैं आपको. फर्स्ट, जिस समय आप एकदम फिजिकली फिट थे, ये नहीं कि हॉलीडे सोच रहे हैं लेकिन पेट में दर्द था ना, हम घर में थे, होटल में रह गए थे, विंडो से देख रहे थे, नहीं, उस टाइप की चीज याद करनी है जिसमें यू वर फिट एंड हेल्दी. ठीक है, वो 3 इंसिडेंट्स याद करने. जनरली अपन जब कुछ एक्टिविटी कर रहे होते हैं या स्पोर्ट में होते हैं या डांस कर रहे होते हैं, देन वी आर नॉर्मली हैप्पी एंड फीलिंग नाइस. तो ऐसी 3 चीजें याद करनी है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. सेकेंड स्टेप इज टू थैंक फॉर द करंट 5 गुड फंक्शनिंग पार्ट्स ऑफ योर बॉडी. इट कैन बी योर टीथ. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, इट कैन बी योर टीथ. योर टीथ आर हेल्दी, फाइन, यू कैन ईट बिकॉज ऑफ देम. इट कैन बी योर टेस्ट बर्ड्स. It can be your ears, it can be the movement of your hands, you can walk. कोई भी 5 चीजें सोच के उनको थैंक यू करना है. It can be your brain, it can be your kidneys, lungs, liver, anything जो आपको पता है कि वो अच्छे से वर्क कर रही हैं, उनके लिए थैंकफुल होना है. This is the second step. Third step is, suppose you want to have shiny hair. Suppose you want a something which is currently not okay. Height I will not say, because height is not a हेल्थ इशू जो आप तुरंत ठीक करना चाहते हो. इट इज नॉट दैट. हाइट यू विल ग्रो टॉलर, मे बी इफ नॉट 6'2" देन 6 और मे बी 6'3", आई डोंट नो, या जितना आपको जो हाइट चाहिए वो तो आप टॉल हो गई, वो तो एक नेचुरल प्रोसेस है बॉडी का. ठीक है, इफ यू वांट योर आइडियल वेट, कि नहीं मेरे को 45 kg चाहिए कि 40 चाहिए कि 50 चाहिए, आई डोंट नो आपका क्या आइडियल वेट है. थिंक ऑफ दैट एंड देन बी थैंकफुल इन एडवांस. कैसे होते हैं उसके लिए थैंक यू? जैसे आपने ड्रीम लिखी थी ना, thank you, thank you, thank you, I'm truly grateful that my perfect weight is this much, okay, or my ovaries are functioning perfectly, or my digestion is super strong. इस टाइप का जो भी आपका हेल्थ इशू है उसका आइडियल स्टेट सोच के यू हैव टू विजुअलाइज. ठीक है. एंड विजुअलाइजेशन में क्या करना है? इफ यू हैव योर आइडियल वेट इज सपोज व्हाटएवर योर आइडियल वेट इज, how will you feel? You'll be wearing, you know, maybe fitter jeans or smaller size jeans, or looking in the mirror, or your friends are appreciating you. If your digestion is perfect, what will you do? You are enjoying the puchkas or the pani puris or the golgappas, whatever you are saying, है ना. अब तभी तो खाओगे ना जब टमी स्ट्रांग है और ठीक है. यू आर एंजॉइंग द चाट्स अवेलेबल ऑन द स्ट्रीट साइड. वो आप वैसे आपको स्ट्रांग रखना है, वैसे कर लो. उसको विजुअलाइज करना है फॉर 1 minute. शी हैज टोल्ड वी हैव टू स्पेंड 1 minute in visualizing the ideal state. Okay, if you're thinking about your eyes Kushi, you can say I'm looking in the mirror and my eyes are just perfectly balanced or symmetrical, जो भी सोचना है वो, and they're shining. Or if you're thinking about the dark circles, you're saying my eyes are sparkling, my skin is glowing, and everyone is appreciating how pretty my eyes are. You can say that. ठीक है. If you want perfect set of teeth, आपको लगता है कि maybe your teeth are a little ऊपर नीचे, that your teeth are just perfect, you have a perfect smile, आप वैसे सोच लो. जो ideal state आप सोच रहे हो उसके बारे में we have to be thankful in advance. Okay, so that clears the practice or the clears the doubts in the practice. Okay,
Yep.
तो आपको ये प्रैक्टिस करनी है. I would advise do this practice right after your blessings. ठीक है. Keep 5 to 10 minutes. Rhonda is telling us do it as many times as you want. If you really feel that that particular body parts needs improvement और आपको वो इतना जरूरी है, हाँ, तो you can do it as many times in a day, if not regularly. This is what she's written now. Do it multiple times in a day if you really want to accelerate the magical restoration of full health. Really want to accelerate, माने आपको वो इतना important है तो आप कई बार करिए. ठीक है. But along with the physical things, ये नहीं कि हम समोसा खा रहे हैं, चॉकलेट खा रहे हैं और आइडियल वेट ड्रीम कर रहे हैं. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करता यूनिवर्स वर्क. ठीक है. यूनिवर्स डिसाइड करता है कि हाँ आर यू एक्चुअली वर्किंग ऑन इट, और खाली हम लोग खाली पुलाव पका रहे हैं बैठ के. ठीक है. नो, वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट ऑल्सो, बट इट विल हेल्प अस रीच देयर फास्टर. ठीक है. दिस आई विल टॉक अबाउट टुमारो, दैट हाउ दिस प्रोसेस एक्चुअली वर्क्स. ठीक है. सो लेट्स जॉइन आवर हैंड्स एंड क्लोज आवर आईज एंड पे ग्रैटिट्यूड टू द सुप्रीम पावर. Thank you, thank you, thank you to the great Almighty and the wonderful elements of nature who have helped us all our lives, who have given us abundance of health, love, and money. You have filled our life with happiness and given perfect health to our family members and me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so thank you everyone for the session.
Can I make a
Thank
small
you, ma'am.
request? I
Sorry?
think we were supposed. Can I make a small request?
Yes.
We are also supposed to do this imagination wala practice, na, which is step 1 to 3. But I know that you have another class. So if it's possible, if you could make a short video and send it across, and we can just sit and do it.
Video.
Is that possible? Or a voice note kind of a thing. Just no pressure.
Okay. If I do it, it will be tomorrow only, not tonight. Okay. Sorry, Tarini, it will be tomorrow only. Let me figure it out how to do it, then I'll send it. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Master. Good night.
Good night.